You have options. You can learn through engaged learning. And to make it fun, it's gamified. Engage gamification learning. This is the future. We're just only in the finance department now, but eventually we'll be in medicine, we'll be in auto mechanics, we'll be in engineering, we'll be in bioengineering, and we'll do it all through virtual headsets. It's just the beginning. But the fastest way for humans to learn is engaged gamification learning, especially with this generation who've all grown up and love games so much, love video gaming so much that it's become darn near a cult. Choose wisely. So to answer the question, yes, a trading education is worth it. You will make more money in this faster. You will be able to retire your parents faster. You'll be able to buy anything you want, pretty much. You'll be able to print money in the market when you want to, when you figure out how to become profitable. When you are trained enough with the skill set to become profitable. When you are trained enough to control your emotions and follow your rules, you will make ridiculous amounts of money. There is literally no ceiling as a trader. So $5, $10, $15, $20,000 on your education as a trader, worth it. Completely worth it. Worth every single penny. And especially if you get a prop firm and they hand you that certificate that says you've been funded $300,000 or you've been funded $25,000 by a trade day account. You've passed your challenge, and now everything you make from the day that you've passed your challenge, every dollar you make is now belongs to you. And you can just keep replenishing, and you can get another account too. Now you have 2 accounts, and then you go get another account with 3 or 4 other prop firms. Now you got 5 accounts, making a smooth little $200 in each account, making a good living for yourself. So yes, the education is definitely worth it. But the right education is worth it. The wrong education is not worth it, because you will end up in the red emotionally, physically, mentally, and financially. So choose right. Think about this with foresight. Don't let the hype and all the wealth that is made in this industry block your mind to where you can't think logically and you think that this is not a sport and that you're going to show up on the football field and have no deliberate practice drills, no coach, no training, no roadmap, no mentor, and you're just going to go play with the professionals who wake up and do this every single day and have done it for years. You're going to wake up and compete with the algorithms and the computer technologies that the big guys have to take your money every day. If you want to do it, you can do it. You can get your money right. It is I, Johnny Hakinashi, on these Wall Street charts. Till next time.